Stop right there. Remember that if you want to have a one-on-one class with me, my contact information is in the video description. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be lucky. Before starting, I'll play the piece first and then I'll break it down step by step. Let's explain it. Open here. Keep opening. Close. Keep closing here. Open again. Open. Close. Opening again. Try to use all your fingers. Close. Keep closing here. Open. Close. Pay attention to this expression. Open everything. As you can see, first I press this button, then the other one. And finally I go back to the first one. Let's continue. Keep opening. Close. Open again. Keep opening. Remember, this pad is faster. Something like this. If you are starting out, perhaps the above was too difficult for you. Here's an alternative. The first part is the same, however, I'll explain it again. Open. Keep opening. Close. Open again. Keep opening. Close. Open again. Open. Close. Opening again. Close. And this part is closing everything. Now let's go to the end. As you know, it is the same, although the ending changes. Open here. Keep opening. Close. Open again. Keep opening. Close. Open again. Open. Close. Opening again. Close. Keep closing. Open. Close again. If you have any questions or need help, please don't hesitate to contact me. Remember that the contact information is in the video description. See you next time.